Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a snack recipe that is Udid Vada. My viewers were demanding this recipe from many days, so I have brought it with coconut chutney for them. Let's get started. So for preparing Udid Vadas, take a bowl full of Udid dal. I have taken approximately 2 glasses of Udid dal. Wash it nicely, soak it for 3 to 4 hours. So after soaking, we have to drain this extra water. Now the water has drained completely. So we have to use this same Udid dal water for grinding this mixture. We have to make a thick batter. So that's why use very little water and be careful while grinding this Udid dal. So I will grind this Udid dal in this chutney jar. Then only we will get the correct consistency. So take batch wise and grind it into a fine paste. Add 2 spoons of water. And grind into a thick paste. So this much thick should be the consistency so that we can make the round shape of those vadas. So our thick batter is ready. So if the batter is loose, it cannot be shaped into the correct balls. So here this is the correct consistency. Now we have to add some ingredients in it. Add salt as per your requirement. Now we have to add some chopped green chilies. One-4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 small piece of ginger chopped. Some curry pattas chopped finely or curry leaves. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. And 1 small onion chopped very finely. Now mix all these ingredients into the batter. So we have to be very careful about the thickness of the batter. Once we add these chopped onions and the spices over there, the batter becomes little loose. So we have to be very careful while grinding the batter. Otherwise we will not be able to form those proper shapes of the vada. Now into this batter, I am adding a pinch of soda, cooking soda. So this is optional. If you can keep the batter for 1 hour for resting, so this you can avoid. So now I have to make it immediately. That's why I am adding a pinch of cooking soda to it. And for thickening this batter little more, because a major problem while making the vadas are, it absorbs a lot of oil while frying. So to avoid that, we have to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This is raw rice flour. So this will correct our consistency of the batter, and it adds to the thing that it will not, the vadas will not absorb the oil over there. So mix it nicely. Keep the batter for resting for 10 minutes and we will start for the next procedure. So for making coconut chutney, I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. So I will transfer it into a grinder. 2 pieces of onion. Small piece of ginger. And some 2 green chilies. This you can change as per your requirement. and some salt to taste. Add some required amount of water and grind it into a chutney. So our chutney is ready. If you want, you can temper it with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. So I am not tempering, and I have made it little thick consistency. If you want, you can add some water also to make it a liquid consistency. So for vadas, I prefer this type of chutney. Take some oil in a frying pan. Let the oil become nicely hot. Once it becomes hot, reduce the flame. And now we have to make this vadas into proper shape. So for that, apply some water on your palm. Place a spoonful of batter. Wet your another hand also and just make it into a round shape. Wet your forefinger, just make a hole in the center. Again wet your palm and drop it into the oil. So the same procedure we have to follow. Apply some water on your palm. Take a spoonful of batter. Wet your another hand also. Just make it into round shape so that it will not stick on your hand. Just wet your forefinger, make a hole in the center, transfer this vada into your right hand and drop it into the oil. So fry this until golden brown on a medium flame so that the inner part of the vada also be cooked nicely. So you can see the shape. It has come out very nicely because we had paid attention towards the consistency of the batter. That is the most important part while making the vada, and even it is not absorbing oil also. So that's the major part. So in this way you can repeat the procedure and make. So now the vadas have become golden brown, cooked properly on both the sides. Now we can take it out from the oil. So you can see the color and shape of the vada. It has come out very nicely and it has not absorbed oil also. So our tasty udit vadas are ready. They have come out very nicely and they go very well with sambar and coconut chutney. They are very crispy from outside and from inside they are very soft and well cooked. I will show you this. See, from inside also they are cooked very nicely and outside it is very crispy. And the best feature is that it has not absorbed any sort of oil. So it's very healthy and good for our kids also and our family also. So hope you definitely try it. Share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and share your comments so that it will inspire me to make more interesting videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.